Hello guys, this is the Fire Stick TV 4K Max. I'm going to unbox it so you can see what's inside. So let's take a look. Here we go. Let's just open it up. Pretty new one. I like new stuff. Let's just see what's inside. So here's the Fire TV itself. Okay, pretty nice. Come with the plastic. And here the remote control. Nice. You have this controls for Prime, Netflix, Disney, and Hulu, and the regular buttons. Here we go. Here, what else we have? Cable. So this is a cable, USB cable. Then just can connect it to it, and of course, it needs to come with this other cable here. How can I remove it from here? Let me just pull it. Trying to remove this cable, and here we go. Okay, this is the adapter, right? Sometimes you have to adapt to your TV because it doesn't fit there, right? Because it's too big, right, to put in behind your TV, and then you can use this adapter here, connect to here, and then you connect to your TV. Okay, so here we have it. Let me just put everything here so you can see it better. And what else we have here? I'm missing something here. Is the guide. Fire Stick TV 4. Hello. Instructions. What is in the box. How to connect to your TV. Here we go. And is there something else here? Yes, of course. Here it's missing the power brick, okay, the adapter, so you can connect to it, and AAA batteries, okay, from Amazon as well. So here we go. Everything that you need inside this box. You just need to connect everything to your TV and have some fun.